back again to my channel, and it's me, Evelyn again. So I've seen some comment from my friend after I unboxing a nail art and asking me to do my nail art on my finger. Well, yeah, of course, I promised about that, and this is a perfect day to do a nail art. I already have a plan to make my nail art today, and I will choose a galaxy nail art. I need trending topic this month still Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande, Is You Know Rain On Me. For another reason too, that I like the sci-fi, you know, like a movie like Alita and Black Panther. It's mixed between a traditional and futuristic. It's not a pure sci-fi. That's why I really like. So I will erase my nail first. You know what? A lot of friends say that my finger is really small, my hand is really small. I think it's just 4 inches. My friends say that it's like a 4 inch. It's little fingers, look like an anime. Okay, it's clean now. Actually, my nail is not strong, but after I drink a collagen, this one, and then it's really strong, and then it's become long, you know. It's like a witch. So alright, we have this one and this and this, okay, and this and this. Can you tell me which one first? We don't need a rule to make a manicure, right? Alright, you gotta understand. What about this one? OMG. And that, I do what I want. Look at that. That's foresight. That is shine nail, smooth nail, remove, file. Well, I don't understand all. Can you help me, sparkling nail art? That's right. I think it looks like this. Smooth nail. So it's really make my nails smooth. Dude, I don't think so. It's not getting smooth. Shine. All right. Oh my god. Or maybe OP first. What should I do? But oh, look at that. That is different. Okay, that one is it's smooth. All right. Just try it. It's not shine. Look at that. You can see this. It's smooth. Yes. Like a shine nail in here. And okay, this is before, and then we try. I remember because when I was at high school with my friend, and then my teacher just give me a test or something, and I just play with this because I really happy, and after it's really shine. Just and my friend guy look at me, and then what was that? They borrow, and then they do that too. Okay, and we're gonna try this side and this side. What was this? Ooh, what's in the world? The oil is off. Ah, it's something like this. Okay, vitamin, the natural, and massage gentle 3-4 times. Do we need like this? Duh. You know what? Woman is really complicated. It's just a nail art. All right, done. Okay. We're gonna try a black one first. This is a black, and it's so raw. That's why I like that. Look at that. That's the black one. It's really easy to use in this side, but it's really difficult in here. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice. And then just put in here. I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything. It's not hot. It's not. It is right. But I think my nail is so shiny, the black one. You know what, girl stuff is really cute. Sometimes I like the girl stuff, but more interesting for me is look like samurai, it look like weapon. More interesting for me. So we're gonna try with the purple. Yes, because we want to make a shiny. See, it's so shiny and so fast to try. And after we gotta put the purple one. Oh my god, so awesome. I gotta cover it all. Oh, look at that. Wow. And next I will try with a galaxy. Can we open it? Yes. Oh, it's dangerous. Look at that. There's a moon. There's a moon, a star. Gotta try that. It's nice. I'm done with this. Nice. And now let's try with the others, okay? After I will show you. That's nice. Sailor Moon. Okay, done. And top coat. Actually, we need the base coat, right? I don't have base coat, so I said I do what I want. Besides that, Aristo is nice. Woohoo! And just put a ring. The black one in here, I think. And make a triple here, commercial, just like this, and pose again, and pose, and pose, and pose, and pose. That's why nail treatment for your hair is really important. Woohoo! And I will do another set, okay? Thank you so much for watching.